Good morning, guys, and welcome to part 2 of the Painting My Humvee video set. In the previous video, I painted my bed with Herculiner. Then I painted the ammo can holder and mounted it to my truck. Then I did the green camo patches on the sides of my truck. And finally, I put in the jerry can holders after painting them. In this video, part 2, I'll be painting the doghouse and the interior deck with 383 caulk substitute. Alright, let's get started. I've removed the doghouse from the Humvee, and you can actually see the engine, part of the transmission, and the back of the motor right there. It's a 6.2 liter diesel, no turbo. Now the reason the doghouse exists is so that in a battle zone, or if conditions aren't favorable, soldiers can work on the engine and part of the transmission from inside the vehicle. They don't have to step out. All right, I have the doghouse here. Looks like it's been painted camo, but I'm going to paint it completely green, 383, and I will clean it a little bit too. Looking pretty good, I think. Brand new, in fact. Very, very nice. All right, on to the next thing. I removed the doghouse and I cleaned the entire deck with soap and water and dried it up so it was dust free. What I'll do now is I'll take a roller and my 383 caulk substitute paint and run it all over the deck and even fill up these little grooves over here on the side before I put the doghouse back in. Very, very nice indeed. So this part is still drying, but I think I got all of it. Looking pretty clean. It came out really well. The sides painted, the decks painted, the doghouse is painted, and it's all come together really nicely.